第53页混合题型，吃货必逛，你要的新鲜都在这。
Wet markets, a one-stop shop for the freshest food around. There are many different kinds of markets in the world. In developed areas, people are most likely familiar with supermarkets or hypermarkets. In less developed rural areas, traditional markets are more common. These can be divided into two categories, dry markets and wet markets or fresh markets. Dry markets sell dry items which are non-perishable goods such as clothing, crafts, kitchenware, toys, or electronics. On the other hand, wet markets sell perishable goods which are fresh foods like fish, meat, fruits, and vegetables. Though some of the oldest markets in history were wet markets, the actual term didn't become common until the 1970s. The Singapore government coined the term to distinguish traditional markets from modern supermarkets. The word wet was chosen because ice and water are used to keep foods cool and fresh, making wet floors common at such markets. Wet markets differ from supermarkets in a few significant ways, even though both may offer similar products. First, supermarkets offer more products beyond food items, such as household cleaning supplies, baby products, pet essentials, medicine, and more. Second, supermarkets are operated by a single owner, so all sales go to one company. In contrast, the space of wet markets is divided into small stalls that are rented by individual vendors. Customers need to pay for items from each vendor separately. This also means that prices, the quality of products, and standards of cleanliness can vary from vendor to vendor. A final difference is that the prices are not fixed, and sellers are open to bargaining at wet markets. These days, different kinds of markets are popular in different areas of the world. In some places, traditional outdoor open-air markets are still very common. However, in urban areas, indoor wet markets located in giant metal or concrete structures are becoming the trend. Enclosed wet markets are usually considered more sanitary than outdoor wet markets.